Anyway, from a song that Charles learnt at a farmer's knee to something related to farming. It's about Kai, is it not? Ernie Duncan again. Och Aye the coup.
How can I possibly follow that? This is a poem by Dorothy Aitchison from Whitburn, some of you may well know. And it's called Och Aye the coup. Hear this, you cannae work it, days lang syne or new. The pride of bonny Scotland, the braw, big, heilan coup. Well, when you stop to think of it, we'll look like all the folk. There's Mother Brown and Harry Bone, and there's Dean like our joke. I can see my classy neighbour, that you know of the street. I'm sure she's hidden horns as well. There's Harry, heilan feet. Shh, there's our minister, kind of thick and chunky. No disrespect to him, though he can be a right wee monkey. And there's him like our session clerk, he's kind of thick as well. I mean, round the middle, the soul doesn't keep so real. And there's your cleaning woman, she's empty everything. Try to stop her in her tracks, she'll kick you in the shin. Maureen's awful like her elder, with his wee bit beard and bald and top. He's out looking for our money, just like fairy or soft soap. I can see myself in them tea, kind of hairy and past my best. I'll do a wee bit thing, saying then I'm looking for a rest. Oh, it's an education. Can you know see what I mean? Your beast is standing over there, just like some folk we see. Mind, there's nothing could replace it. I tell you that right now. For the pride of bonny Scotland is our braw, big, heilan coup.
I always try to get a link between the different poems and so
And he usually fails.
I usually fail. Ernie said earlier on there, he said, how can you follow that? I was telling him I got auditioned for the wireless. There's the radio for the deaf.